Hey, what is up, everyone? This is Kiran here. Welcome back again to Tech Kiran YouTube channel. So finally, Evolution X official version based on Android 12 is here for the Redmi Note 8 users. It's already available officially for some other devices and also unofficially available for some devices like Redmi Note 10 Pro, etc. I made a video for Redmi Note 10 Pro. You can go and check it out if you want to. Let's take a look at the official version, the first official version which I have tried on my device based on Android 12. This is called Evolution X OS. By the way, we're talking about the Redmi Note 8 version, Evolution X version, Snow 6.0 Kingo version, and you can see it's official version. And the best thing is, it comes with the latest November security patch for you. It's based on Android version 12, which we are talking about. It's not unofficial build. This is official version. So yes, the things are pretty much great, pretty much interesting. Why I'm liking this build, why I just love this build, it's because of its performance and smoothness. Tried a lot of builds so far based on Android 12, especially in Redmi Note 8 also. Any build was not that fast, which this one is. This is great. As always, as expectedly, it has the Pixel launcher included. Evolution X always has the Google Apps included for you. So yes, you just simply don't need to install any kind of Google Apps package, separate Google Apps package for that. The quick settings panel looking quite good here. You have some extra advanced features for you. For example, the screenshot tile which is added, which you can simply enable or disable. Including that, the extra dim option is also there, which is a very useful thing available in Android 12. The hotspot alongside with the Wi-Fi, both of the things are working at the same time, so that looks also quite good. Dark theme, it's just working perfectly fine. As you can see, everything is just working quite good, quite great. I think so this might be a very good choice for you to install on your device, because if you're looking to install Android 12 and looking for a stable version, I think so this might be a very good choice for you. I didn't got any kind of major bugs for now. Of course, this is Android 12, still initial stage. So yes, if this is your primary device, I'll still not recommend you to use it as your daily driver. You might get some minor bugs here or there. So I'll suggest you to wait for a few more months, maybe 1 or 2 months. You might get the stability for sure. But right now, it's good enough. It's very good. It's improved a lot. Talking about Android 12, it's great. Now moving on to some other things, for example, the performance and smoothness, which I loved about this. Honestly, this is great. I don't believe in scores, honestly. I believe in real actual performance. I always mention these things. This is great. I tried a lot of Android 12 based custom ROMs for now. This might be one of those which has great improvement, great speed, super performance in my opinion. USB fast charge option is present here in Xiaomi Pass, which is very good, which means you have the Xiaomi Pass included. Mi Sound Enhancer is working. Clear speaker is also there, which is also quite useful feature which you get in some Xiaomi devices, which is also present there. Mi Sound Enhancer is also there. Including that, if you move on to the security section, unfortunately it still does not have the face unlock. It still does not have the app lock. But yes, you can expect things, and you can see phone is not encrypted. So yes, if you're encrypted, then encryption is broken in this build. So this might be a bug for you, but of course it's not a major bug. As I previously mentioned you, it does not contain any kind of major bugs. There might be some minor bugs here and there. It does not contain the modded Pixel launcher. Modded Pixel launcher has more upgrades, more themed icons, but it has the stock one. You can get the modded launcher. I made a video on my Hindi channel. You can simply move on, check out that if you want to. It has some these wallpapers included. I'm not sure if these are by default or online, but I didn't got these wallpapers in any other custom ROM, so these might be available in this build only. You can see this Monet engine or themed icons. It's just working perfectly fine. No issues here and there. Everything else I've already shown you. If you want to check out the features in the Evolver, basically features are kind of same, some basic features here and there. I made a video on Evolution X first look, so you can simply move on and check out that if you want to check out these features. Everything else I've already shown you. These were things I just want to let you know. If you want to install this build, link is in the description. This is all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video. Goodbye.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.